scared of him just not wanting to shoot me. Like, obviously I needed because you know I haven't been jogging forever. Like, it's just ridiculous.
Yeah, but then okay, so how long did it take?
What? I just need to like go through it because I honestly, it was like all a bit of a blur actually. So it was like in front of the camera and everything's fine, right? Like we're shooting and like he's like being really positive. Like it was getting a bit weird, some of the positions, but I was like whatever. And he was like
Positions?
and I was like okay, yeah, I'll walk around the back of the So yeah, then he wanted me to look at the pictures. So I went round to his side of the camera and it was so weird. Like he just so slowly put his hand around my back.
Why didn't you call me?
Well, obviously I wasn't
Yeah,
going to call
like I
you.
would.
Like,
I
stop.
met
This
for
is
that
the problem.
training
This is
week.
what I'm having in my head.
Yeah,
I can't do
I was
it.
following around like for the
I
whole
should
week.
have obviously done something. I should have stopped.
So like,
it, but
park that there for a second,
I
okay?
needed
Cut forward 2 months
the
later.
shoot. Like,
Do you remember that girl,
so long
Jane,
for that. I
whose
just-
number I was trying to get off
Am I
you?
wrong? No, it wasn't wrong. Like I obviously.
Yeah.
Of course you're not wrong.
Yeah, before we went to
I-
Australia, we
I-
finally gave it to me. Well, it's okay, I sent her a message. Grand.
I just feel like
We'll
like
go for a few
silly.
drinks,
I feel
right?
silly,
Now,
that's
we're
how I
having a
feel.
drink.
I
She's
just
asking me,
feel
like, where do you work? I say, I work at Casey's. And she says, no way. I was chatting to a guy, like, 2 weeks ago who said he worked for Casey's. I was like,